This video from SharpHelp, we're looking at the XEA202 and 212 registers, and we're going to demonstrate how to program the machine to enable a copy receipt function. So on the machine as standard, you've got an RCPO button here, which is receipt and post receipt issue, but it only works as standard on the machine if you've got the receipt set to off. And so by turning the receipt off, you do that by turning the key to XZ, pressing this button, key back to reg, and then you've got the receipt off. Then if you, well, let's prove it, you then run a sale through, you don't get a receipt print out, but you can use this button to print a receipt. So that's not technically a copy receipt, it's a receipt of a transaction because a customer requested it. What you can also do is you can turn the receipt on, or back on, and then the machine has the ability, obviously now when we run a sale through with the receipt on, we'll automatically get a receipt print out, but what we can't do is print a copy of that receipt. But you can set the machine to enable that function, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. So you need the MA key in the machine, which I have, and then you need to turn it around to PGM position. The programming information, by the way, I'm getting from job code 63, which is on page 45, I think, of the manual. Yeah, page 45. So it might be useful to refer back to there, but basically what I've been able to do from looking at the job code, I've given myself my instructions. That's effectively what I'm going to do now. It looks, without seeing the chart where I've got that information from, it just looks like a load of made up numbers, but it does make sense. It's actually the fourth digit which is telling the till to print the copy receipt, so that as standard is a 0 in the till programming memory. All these things, all the other ones refer to other bits of programming, so I've left them all at the default. The only one I'm actually changing is the fourth digit. So I'm going to, can I leave that there if I folded it up well enough so you can follow what I'm doing? So now I'm in the PGM position. It's TMST. Can't quite see that because of the camera angle. Let's nudge that down a touch and you see exactly what I'm doing. Then 63, which is the job code address. Multiply, and then my 8-digit code is 01010001. TMST to finish, and then the button immediately below it is the big green TLNS button, and that'll end the program and allow us to turn the key back to the reg mode, which we'll now do. Get rid of that. Now we've got full receipt function, so we can still turn the receipt off if we want and issue a receipt on request if the customer requests it, or more likely we'll have it so that the receipt is on, but also for whatever reason now when we press this button we'll get a copy of that receipt. It only works once, I think. I know you can have multiple copies, but obviously each one says copy on it, and there may be a limit to how many copies you require. Also, it only works for the most recent transaction, so you can't go back historically and print a copy of an old sales transaction. Okay, so I hope that video has been helpful. I've got plenty of other videos appearing explaining how to get the best out of these machines, so you're welcome to watch those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.